Question 21. Given that AB and AC are equal, that's what this little line represents, and Z is less than 90, which of the following expressions must equal Z? So what I've done here is I've thought about, well, what can I work out? I know that this outside triangle is an isosceles triangle. I often call these isosceles spotting questions, isosceles triangle spotting questions, because if I know that that's an isosceles triangle, then this angle here is going to be exactly the same as this angle here. So I know both of those are Y. So that's my first step, is to spot the isosceles triangle. And mark on the corresponding information. Then I want to look at the information I can work out based on the fact that these are triangles. So A and Y, A plus Y plus this angle just here are going to have to equal 180. So the way that I want to write this is 180, and then I can subtract X and I can subtract Y, which gives us that angle in there. The same with this one here. I can say that this one is 180, subtract Y, subtract Z. I also have another way of working out what this angle is. If I think of this as angles along a straight line sum to 180, then I can make this one here. So we're talking about this angle in here with X. The one that we've marked 180 subtract Y subtract Z. So this one here is actually also 180 subtract X. So we now have two different ways of describing the same angle. This one here and this one here are the same. So now I can put them equal to each other. So I can say that 180 subtract Y subtract Z is the same as 180 subtract X. I've got lots of negatives here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add X to both sides. I'm going to add Y and add Z. I now can subtract 180 from both sides. And therefore I can see, oh, it says must equal Z. Okay, so I need to now get Z on its own. I got rid of my negatives, but now I need to get Z on its own because it says which of the following expressions must equal Z. So I'm going to rearrange that. So I've just got Z on its own. So therefore I subtract Y from both sides. And then this is the expression that equals Z, and therefore the answer is